Hey guys, Bismoto here. Just wanted to give you guys some updates on my bikes for this year, seeing that it's a new year. Uh, Z125 is still working flawlessly. No problems at all. So far, everything's good. I put some LED lights on it this year, so it makes it look pretty cool at nighttime. I'll have to get a video of that sometime. Uh, just added this so I could carry like a soda with me or something. And I still got my bell on here and my phone mount. No real upgrades on this bike this year. For my 2018 Grom, I'm changing the colors of the plastics to white, as you can see here. I still got the yellow plastics, so I can put those away just in case I need them or whatever, if I decide to switch back. Or I might sell them if somebody offers me a decent price for them. But yeah, I didn't get the... They gave me the boomerangs for it, for the front here, for the headlight, but they're the Thailand model. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Thailand model uses a different mounting setup. Like you can see how these are curved and all that, where the US model is more like egg shape. So I had to buy these little adapters and stuff so you could mount like regular blinkers to it, whatever. Because these won't fit the US model blinkers. So that's why I used them on this bike, aftermarket. But yeah, I'm waiting on those. I got them on order. They should be here on Wednesday, I believe it said. So that's why the headlight's off. But yeah, I really like the white. They're very nice. Has like a gold pearl to it. Pretty nice. Uh, Otherwise, this bike I'm gonna leave stock. I'm not gonna change the bars or anything. I thought about it, but I think I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. Uh, Maybe put some bar end mirrors on it. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Uh, Getting ready for its second oil change, probably within the month. Okay, and then you guys remember I had the red Grom. Well, I ended up getting rid of that. I ended up getting a Harley. I kind of worked on that over the winter, and then I ended up getting rid of it and traded it for this Z125 with Zoom exhaust, 143 big bore kit. Got the bar end mirrors. The only thing I really did to it is I put different grips on it. The bar end mirrors, new bar end mirrors, I should say. He had one on there. This one also has the LED lights on it. So, can't see it now because it's daytime, but yeah, this Z is really nice, pretty fast, not bad. I mean, I don't know, I mean, I shouldn't say it's fast. It gets up to speed fast, but so far I'm stuck at like 62 miles an hour when people say stock ones do 67. So I'm almost wondering if maybe I put stock exhaust back on, maybe it'll run better, because it seems like whenever you put an aftermarket exhaust on, you know, these small bores anyways, it seems like it takes away power and speed, unless you got like big mods, and I just feel that the 143 kit is not a huge mod where it really needs exhaust. I mean, even though the exhaust sounds great, I would like to see if I could get my, you know, the 67 mile an hour speed back again. But yeah, guys, I just want to let you know that's the story behind this. Is I traded a red Grom for a Harley, worked on the Harley, decided that's not really what I wanted. I like my little bikes better, so I traded for Z125. I ride with a bunch of people, you know, sometimes on the weekend or whatever when I'm off, and they have a lot of them have Z125s. So, and then I still have the Ice Bear, Mad Dog. I rode that probably, I think it was last weekend, and come to find out my exhaust is falling off. Ice Bear is still in really nice shape, looks really good. No, didn't really do any changes to this. But yeah, you can see the exhaust is off. I think the stud just fell out on the bottom on the exhaust. So I got to look into that, and it melted the plastics pretty bad on the bottom here, so I might have to get a new shroud for the motor. But yeah, I can't believe it got that loose. Ridiculous. So yeah, next time I put it in, I'll make sure it's got red Loctite on it, because if I ever rebuild the motor, I'm just going to buy a new head and probably a 171 big bore kit for it. The one thing I do have weird that's going on is this front tire. If you look at it, you can see the white wall part like into the rubber up here, and when you go around the corner, you can feel it. It feels like the bike is sliding, so not really safe when you go into sharp curves. So I'm thinking I may end up changing the tires. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it this year or if I'm going to wait till next year. I don't know. If I got to put if that stud broke off in the motor, I might just wait till next year and just do a 171 big bore kit on it. I really don't know if I want to mess with this year. So, but I will at least try to put a new stud in and see if that's all it needs. But yeah, guys, that's all I wanted to do. I just wanted to give you updates on all my bikes. If you liked the video, like, subscribe, hit the bell. You know, we got a local YouTuber here. He's changing his plastics on his ground pretty soon. So I'll be right back. I'm going to stop this video and I'm going to give you guys a link to his page, his YouTube page, so you guys can watch if you want to watch his install video on putting the plastics on his ground. He's still waiting for him to come from Bangkok yet, so maybe a while, but sit tight and I'm sure it'll be up there. Hold on, I will be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. This is the YouTuber I was talking about. It's RayRay3866 on YouTube. He's also got Instagram, Facebook apparently. But yeah, his videos, it has a lot of fun riding, and he does some build-up videos, stuff like that. And I rode with him once. He's local from me. And yeah, we usually have a lot of fun together. But yeah, watch his videos and subscribe to him. And I will talk to you guys later. See you guys in my next video. Bye.